Hi tech enthusiasts, Luna here from Quantum Tech Lab, your go-to hub for simplifying technology and making it work smarter for you. Today I'll guide you how to enable developer options on Samsung Galaxy A56. Open the settings. The settings menu is the central control panel where you can manage everything on your device, including network settings, privacy options, device security, apps, and system features. It's where most Android customization begins. Next, scroll down and see the About Phone option. Tap on it to open the device information page. This section contains important details about your phone, such as the model number, software version, and other system information. Next, locate and tap on Software Information. This menu shows detailed information about the operating system running on your device, including the Android version, One UI version, and the build number, which is the key setting needed to unlock developer options. Now see the build number option. Tap on it 7 times in quick succession. After a few taps, your phone may ask you to enter your lock screen, PIN, password, or pattern to confirm that you're the device owner. Once you enter the correct security code, you'll see a message saying Developer Mode has been enabled. After enabling it, go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down and you'll now see developer options listed near the bottom of the settings page. Opening developer options gives you access to advanced features like USB debugging, animation scale controls, background process limits, and performance monitoring tools. These settings are mainly designed for developers and advanced users, so it's best to change options carefully. If you found this guide helpful, keep experimenting with your device and exploring new features. Stay curious, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next tech guide from Quantum Tech Lab.